If you haven't bought it yet, you're okay.
Well, that's true, but I am gonna go ask.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome, hon. Have a good day.
You
I think we're gonna have to pass on this machine. Wait for a later date. So the price goes down. It's not in the budget today. But we're probably gonna get those other three.
Can I set this here while I look at the pictures? Okay.
Let's try this lovely couch made in 1983. What do you think, Harley's? We need a new one. How about that lovely couch? That's cool. The love seat. Oh my God, it's so comfortable. Pretty comfortable. Okay, Harley, you ready to negotiate? You know the routine, kisses. What do you think, Harley's? Let's go check the books while we're waiting. Be back later.